Morning, dear students. Welcome to social class. Students, in my last class, I have taught you about celebrations with family and festivals. Today, let us learn more about festivals. Next, fifth one, Dasera, which is also called as Vijayadashmi. We worship 9 different goddesses on this festival, which is known as Navratri. What we do? We celebrate 9 days, and every day we celebrate different goddess. So each day one different goddess, and the last day is known as Vijayadashmi, the 10th day. Okay, and at the end, that is on 10th day, we burn the statue of Ravana by firecrackers. What we do last day, that is on 10th day, we burn the statue of Ravana, and it is believed that all the evils in the society are burned with the statue. So when we burn the statue of Ravana, it is believed that all the bad things or all the evil things are burnt along with the statue. You can see it in the picture, children. Okay, next one, Deepavali. Deepavali, it is also known as Festival of Lights. Why it is known as Festival of Lights? Because on this day we light many diyas. We light colorful diyas, and there are many different types of color lights. Yes, we do it in our house, in our shops, in our factories. Yes, so it is called as Festival of Lights. On this day, we also make attractive rangolis. Yes, at our home, we make rangoli with different colors. On this festival, we worship goddess Lakshmi. Yes, what we do on this festival, we do the puja of Lakshmi, and it is believed that she comes with the luck to our home. Next, Christmas. It is celebrated in the remembrance of birth of Jesus Christ on December 25th. Yes, we celebrate Christmas on December 25th every year, and it is the remembrance, or you can say birthday of Jesus Christ, where he is believed as the Son of God. He is believed as Son of God. The first day of celebration is the day before Christmas, which is known as Christmas Eve. It is celebrated on December 24th every year. So what happened here? The celebration is the day before Christmas. The first celebration, it is celebrated on 24th, and it is called as Christmas Eve. On this day, we go to church, we will do prayer and lighten up the candles. Christmas Day, it is a public holiday in many of the world's nation. Yes, we get holiday every year on 25th December. We decorate Christmas tree. Children, you can see in the picture the Christmas tree is decorated. Yes, we will decorate our house with different kinds of lights. We bake the cake and prepare many more dishes, and we will enjoy with the family and friends. Students, on 24th midnight, Santa Claus will come secretly with gifts, and he will distribute to the children. Students, you can see in the picture, there is a Santa Claus coming with a gift. He is coming to your home. Okay, students, these are the few festivals celebrated with family and friends. There are some festivals which are celebrated throughout the country, which is known as national festivals. Now, let us move on to learn about national festivals. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. When is Republic Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 26th January. This day is very important day, as it reminds us that we are all part of one large country, India. We must respect each other, and we must always be united. On this day, India got its first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was our first president. On this day, we hoist flag and sing our national anthem. This day is also celebrated in our school. We sing national anthem, we hoist the flag, and there are many other cultural programs conducted on this day. It is celebrated everywhere in India. In Delhi also, a grand celebration is held at Rajpath, where the president takes salute from the parade. On this day in Delhi, the president, he also hoists the flag and sings national anthem. And there are many cultural programs conducted. On this day, the president also honored the brave children. We should celebrate this day with pride and joy. It is our students. Next is Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August of every year. On 15th August 1947, India got independence from British rule. So, India was ruled by British. So, on 1947, we got independence from them. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort, Delhi, and he also delivers his speech. On that day in Delhi, we will be having cultural program also, and the Prime Minister, he will hoist the flag at Red Fort. This day teaches us about the power of unity. Students, we should not fight with each other. We should love and respect each other and stay together. Many freedom fighters lost their lives to provide independence to India. Many people fought for our independence and they lost their life. Let's take decision to value our nation. Won't forget sacrifices who gave us freedom. We will never forget who fought for us and gave freedom for us. We should always value and remember them. We should also respect them. In our school also, children, we celebrate Independence Day. We hoist flag and sing national anthem, and many other cultural programs are also conducted. We should be proud of our country. Next, we will learn about great freedom fighter Gandhiji. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to remember the birth of Gandhi. So Gandhiji was born on 2nd October. Every year we celebrate his birthday. He is also known as Mahatma Gandhi. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. What is Gandhiji's full name? His name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhiji was born in Porbandar. He is also known as Father of Nation. Gandhiji is called as Father of Nation. He also led India's freedom movement along with many other national leaders against the British rule in India. Gandhiji, he fought for our freedom. He also fought for our freedom with many other leaders, and we got freedom from British rule. Students, these were the few national festivals. I hope you all understood. Thank you.